Hello everyone, this is Joe. Welcome back to the shop. Today we're going to build a chicken coop. The wife wants a chicken coop, so we cut up some wood, and let's review what we have on the materials list here, and then we'll start building. So let's walk over. This chicken coop is going to be 4 feet by 4 feet. It's going to sit off the ground on 2-foot legs. So I have one 4-inch by 4-inch by 8-foot square here. So I cut these in 2-foot sections. There's 4 of them. These are for the base legs. Then I have 4-foot 2 by 4, two of them 8-foot long, cut into 4-foot sections. So there's 4 of them. That will make the top of the base that sits on top of the legs. Then we have 16 2-inch by 2-inch by 8-foot long sections. These are cut into 4-foot lengths and will make up the framing for the midsection of the chicken coop. And then they'll also have some, we'll make some rafters for the roof, which will be on a pitch. So there's the material. I also have some 3.5-inch and 4-inch wood screws, and we will start constructing that. More than likely what I'll do is some rapid filming of that, and then we'll take frequent breaks and then discuss what we've built and how we have built that. So that way you can follow along at home in case you want to build your own chicken coop. Okay, this frame needs a little discussion here so you can understand what's going on. This is the side, the back side of the framing of the chicken coop, and why I put this slot here is there's a 4-inch slot here. These are 20.5 supports. These are 28, and there's 28 inches between here, and this 4-inch slot is going to be a chicken egg collection. Inside the pen we're going to mount some laying boxes for egg collection. On the outside we'll build a small box with a lid, and then that way when the chickens lay their eggs they'll roll out from the laying box into the collection box. Just wanted to go over this in some detail so you understand what's going on.